How to scan QR code on PC without camera. Hey everyone, it's me Jessica from Create, Login and Delete. If you don't have a camera on your PC or prefer not to use it, you can still scan QR codes using online tools or by uploading an image of the QR code. And here is how to do it. Open any web browser and in search address bar type down the QR code scanner and search for it. Once you do so, you will get to see the list of QR code scanner on your device. Now, simply tap on any you prefer. I'm tapping on the first one available there. Once you tap on it, you will be navigated to the QR code scanner option available. Now in there, as you can see, there is scan now option available. If you have any QR code already available on your device, then you can simply tap on it. But I don't, so I'm simply searching for any QR on Google for now. If you have the QR code available, then you can simply tap on the scan now option available there and drag drop it and you can find the link of it. So here I'm searching for the QR code and let's simply tap on it and save it to our desktop. Once you save it, go back to the same online scanner option available there. Now tap on the image upload. Now upload the QR code image. Now the website will automatically decode the QR code and show the content URL. Now all you have to do is copy the URL and paste it on the new tab. Then you'll be navigated to the QR code website. As you can see here. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel and thank you so much for watching.